up doing my custom United Mothership bike check. They're kind of dirty. Been riding. Well, I can't really ride. My hands fucked up. Let me start off the top. Work my way down and back. I have some ODI grips. The only grips I ride. Some Odyssey bar ends. Fluorescent pink. They look purple on here for some reason. I have United bars. 885 rise. 28 wide. With a Sunday freeze stem. Kind of custom painted it. With blue shadow hollow bolts. I have my new United stem I got in today. Their new CNC stem. I'm gonna put that on later. United fork bolt. I have stolen thermalite spacers and a blue carbon fiber. Stolen thermalite. I have a United headset. And then the best part, my United mothership frame in orange. I love it. 21 inch. Best frame I've ever ridden. I have United forks. These are all aftermarket parts. It's like 3 in the morning. I can't remember the name of all of them. The United forks, Fit FAF teal wall, 2.10. Cinema 77K rim. The new Cinema female hub. Just black spokes, black nipples. Just down. And again to say, I have the United cranks. I'm not sure which ones they are. Can't really remember the name. As I said again, it's really late. I have the United CNC sprocket. Really good. Really solid. I have mechanic half-track chain. Well, half-link chain. Really good chain. Really solid. Duo pedals. Really good pedals. I have United sealed bottom bracket. United seat post. United Kevlar seat. It's kind of dusty. In the back, Fit FAF 2.10. Another Cinema 77K rim, I think. I can't really remember the name of them. And another brand new Cinema hub that's left-hand, right-hand drive compatible. And then black spokes, black nipples. So, yeah. That's my bike check. And I think it weighs 18 or 19 pounds. Alright, rate and subscribe.